on your right hand side, you will see a greater hoodoo. You can tell that this one is a female because it does not have horns. And as we head right over past these rocks right here, if you look just up top, you may be able to see a black rhino. The black rhino has no natural predators, so its largest threat is actually from humans, as humans try to poach them for their horns. Although those horns are actually made of keratin, the same as what's in our fingernails. And on our right hand side, we also have some bongo. The bongo are also known as the ghost of the forest because they like to hide in densely packed vegetation to hide from any predators. And over on your left hand side, we have our saddle ghost stork. They get their name from the little yellow saddle looking shape on their bills. They also have a wingspan of up to 9 feet and can reach heights of 5 feet. And just for reference, that wingspan of 9 feet is about the same length as the canopy above your heads.
I love that bird. It's my favorite bird.
Nothing like shaking at the beginning.
That is.
That would be 2000 GMC on your left hand side.
And while we're heading throughout our journey, folks, there is also an animal spotting guide directly above your head. So if I list any animal and you cannot see it, or if you see one and I do not mention it, feel free to use that animal spotting guide to try and pinpoint which is which and to point them out. And on your right hand side, we have some hippos. While hippos can swim, they will typically run or walk along the bottom of the water instead of swimming.
Swimming takes a lot of energy.
Yeah. And there are more hippos on your left.
They're just hanging out at the bottom of the pool.
Those Nile hippopotamus will spend a majority of their day underwater to keep cool. And while underwater, they can actually hold their breath for about 8 minutes.
There's one way down in the bottom, see ya?
Not only are they in the water, they're in the shade in the water.
Like you, Eric. Me, you in the pool.
That's exactly me.
Say as much of your body underwater and be in the shade as much as you can. Is it a
And coming up just around this corner on your left-hand side are our Nile Crocodile. The average crocodile is 16 feet in length and 500 pounds. They can also live to be over 40 years old.
Which one's going to see you in a while, Stella?
And while the Nile crocodile does have a diet mostly consisting of fish, they have been known to eat anything, including other crocodiles.
I think they lift them up at night, don't they?
What?
The bridges from the different areas.
The chains stop animals from walking across, but it's more of like an effect, like this crappy road.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be like this, but they're doing it as a.
Yeah.
Oh, you're in the jungle and it's not paved.
And as we pass around this corner on your right-hand side, you will see what is known as the baobab tree, also called the tree of life. It gets this nickname because it will conserve all of its water in its trunk to last through long periods of drought.
Yeah, see, the early morning is usually the best time.
Yeah.
Going on this.
Active, right?
Yep. Midday when it's 1,000,000 degrees, you're like, nah. There's one.
See a giraffe?
Yeah, he's right over. Giraffe is right over. Where did I see him?
Right over here.
There's a giraffe over there walking by the. Ooh, we're having that discussion now.
And on your left-hand side, you may be able to see them just laying right in front of that little cave is our African wild dog. The African wild dog is also known as the painted dog because of its unique pattern. And like a human fingerprint, every pattern on each African wild dog is different. They are also one of the best and most successful hunters in Africa because of their ability to hunt as a pack.
Oh, there's one. There's two right here.
And coming just up on your left-hand side, you will find our Maasai giraffe. Giraffe are the tallest animals in the world and can reach heights between 16 and 20 feet.
Oh, they're feeding them.
And a newborn giraffe calf can actually stand and walk within an hour of being born. Giraffe calves can also be born about 6 feet tall and 150 pounds. And off in the bushes just past our Maasai giraffe,
that guy sounds stupid.
Sable antelope.
It's like, I know where the food is.
Antelope will actually use their horns for a variety of different reasons, including to display dominance during courting.
You only give me this much, but the truck has all of this.
And as we continue through the savannah, you will see what look like dirt mounds on your left and right hand side. Those are also known as termite mounds. They are created of dirt, dung, and saliva and are used as scratching posts for elephants. And once the elephants wear them down a bit, antelope will actually use them as a lookout point to keep an eye out for predators. And directly in front of us, you will see some Hartman's mountain zebra.
He's like right on the road.
Many people often wonder if a zebra is black with white stripes or white with black stripes, and you can actually tell by looking at their nose. They have a black nose, which means that they are black with white stripes.
Nope.
There we go. Oh, zebra crossing.
Zebra crossing.
Zebra crossing.
Please wait.
Wow, very beautiful.
They are, right?
And a newborn zebra actually has the ability to imprint or have an immediate lasting impression with their mother. They will stay with their mother for that first year of their gestation period and will feed and hang out with their mom.
Only a year? What about 11 years? They'll get it like a surprise. Maybe they ate the carrots
And
already.
if you look just ahead on your right hand side, they may be a little hard to see because of their size, but we have
there's
our
one.
springbok. Springbok actually get their name for their ability to spring about 6 feet in the air when frightened. They are also one of the 10 fastest land animals and can reach speeds between 50 to 60 miles an hour.
Okay, we need like a 3-hour head start. What's over there?
Road.
It's like, did it rain last night? Or did the water all this stuff down?
But wouldn't they have to water it for it to be green?
I guess so.
Look up there. They're not even.
It's a rock collection.
And immediately on your right hand side, folks, you
Oh,
will
here you
see
go.
African elephants. African elephants will keep themselves cool by flinging dirt, mud, and sand onto their backs, which act as a natural sunblock. They can also keep themselves cool by flapping their ears, which will allow them to cool down by about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And on your left-hand side, you will see a mandrill. You can tell the females and males apart because the male mandrill is significantly larger than the female, and by the blue and red colorings on its nose. Mandrills are also the largest monkeys in the
Oh,
world.
there's a bird.
Crane.
Oop.
It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a crane. that joke is from?
It is funny though. I don't think so. It was from something else.
Maybe. My coffee is like sloshing like that. Like.
It's actually probably better in the middle, on the side for bouncing. No, seriously.
Oh, for bouncing?
Yeah.
I thought you meant for seeing.
No.
I have the best vantage. So
You actually kind of do.
And we are about to pass through our red clay pit. If you look on your left and right hand side, you may see some marks made from an elephant's tusks. That is because they will eat the red clay for the important minerals that it provides them with.
There's no way an elephant eats.
Wait, you think they're lying to you?
I don't think that is what someone ate. What do you see?
And on your left, there are again some African elephants.
It smells kind of dungy.
Would you want to do a walking tour of this place? Oh, this is unfortunate. Look at all the...
Construction fencing?
Yeah.
They're refurbishing the elephants for your future enjoyment.
And thanks to some help from some researchers in Kenya, we were actually able to find that elephants are afraid of bees. So to help those farmers and local researchers, they have created bee fences where there are beehives that act as a natural deterrent to the elephants. And it works in favor of the farmers as well, because then they can turn around and sell that honey.
Oh, it flooded.
And coming up just around this corner on your left-hand side are the greater flamingo.
Listen to them.
The greater flamingo are actually the lightest pink of all flamingo, and they get that coloring from their diet, which consists of tiny brine shrimp. And those tiny
they're fighting.
It is called carotene, which provides them with the pink coloring in their feathers.
They're eating probably off the ground, right? The one guy is like beating up the other guy.
Left-hand side, you will see the white rhinoceros. The white rhinos actually get their names from the Afrikaans word "white," meaning wide, referring to their shape now, not to be white. While a black rhino can get to be about 3,000 pounds, white rhinos are significantly larger, coming in at about 4,000 to 5,000 pounds.
Wow, we're never this close to them. See the baby one, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got scared by the branch.
Hi,
I'm not gonna eat if you're gonna be watching me.
Yeah, you don't have to go watch me eat. I'm gonna walk for myself.
Do I have something on my face?
A horn.
Yeah.
I thought you were actually asking me.
Usually you do? Is that why you responded, Stella? Yeah. So Mama's done with rides for the day.
And as we head around this bend, folks, just keep your eyes peeled out for your left-hand side, as you may find some cheetah. Cheetah are the fastest land animals, and they can reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour in just 3 3 seconds. However, they can only hold that speed for a few hundred
See him
yards.
walking?
I think she's off.
Oh, an ostrich. Run. Pretty beautiful, aren't they?
If you don't mind being hunted
Their
and killed.
tails are thicker than considering how skinny their bodies are. There's Drain. Have a nice
Not today, I don't think. They're still sleeping.
Oh,
There he is.
Those little island rocks that they're laying on are actually called kofi and will allow them to have a great position to lay in the sun and also a vantage point to look out for any prey.
They're both chilling out
A
there.
group of lions is also referred to as a pride, and in a lion's pride, the females will do most of the hunting. And they will hunt in
Don't
teams
judge me.
so that they can take down their prey.
Oh, there's a few. There's two.
Oh, there's 3 of them. It's like, really? I'm sleeping. You guys go away. Come back later. Bring food.
Bye. They don't have any natural instincts anymore, do they? Like, I mean, I guess natural instincts,
And
right?
just ahead on your left
They
hand
still do.
side, we have our
Oh.
warthog.
Warthog.
They're actually burrowing animals, and they will create their homes by digging into the ground with their feet, horns, and
Oh, that's so ugly.
it is also very typical for a warthog to reuse a burrow made by another animal.
Oh, there's some butts.